N-Suite. The N-Suite is a smart portable privacy shelter made for camping, overlanding, or outdoor adventures. It works as a private space for showers, changing, or even a mini mobile workspace. Some versions can mount directly to your car, SUV, or trailer, instantly turning your vehicle into part of the shelter. Setup is quick and easy, with full-height walls for privacy, a zip-open roof for ventilation, and hooks inside to hang towels, gear, or clothes. The lightweight but durable design makes it perfect for camping trips, weekend getaways, or long overland journeys. You can also use it as a changing room, a compact mobile studio, or even a small storage space for gear while outdoors. The Ensuite is built to handle outdoor conditions and keeps you comfortable and organized, whether you're in a campsite, beach, or remote location. For anyone who loves modern outdoor gadgets or practical camping inventions, the Ensuite is a game changer. It combines convenience, innovation, and comfort, giving you a private space wherever you go. With its clever design and versatility, it's perfect for adding a touch of luxury and functionality to your next adventure. Gillard shelters are smart, durable, and portable living spaces made for quick setup and reliable protection anywhere you need them. Built from tough, weather-resistant materials, these shelters are perfect for disaster relief, military camps, or outdoor expeditions. Their clever folding design allows them to be packed, transported, and set up within minutes. No heavy tools or complicated assembly required. Once opened, they provide a safe and comfortable space with great insulation, ventilation, and protection against wind, rain, or extreme heat. Each shelter can also be customized with solar panels, water systems, and interior layouts depending on the purpose, whether it's for temporary housing, a mobile office, or a medical unit. Despite being easy to move, they feel solid and secure once installed, offering real comfort even in remote or challenging areas. Designed with sustainability in mind, Gillard shelters save time, energy, and resources while reducing environmental impact. Goal Zero Skylight. The Goal Zero Skylight is a powerful portable light made for camping, outdoor events, and work sites. It delivers an impressive 6,000 lumens of brightness and can be raised from 4 to 12 feet tall, lighting up a massive area up to 300 feet wide. The light features 6 adjustable LED panels that can tilt in different directions, letting you focus light exactly where you need it, whether that's your tent, cooking area, or sitting spot. It has a warm 3250K glow that feels natural and comfortable, unlike harsh white lights. The GoLo Go Camp is a compact and smart mini camper that turns your vehicle into a cozy mobile home. Designed for easy travel and adventure, it offers a complete camping setup in a small, foldable unit that fits right into your car's trunk. Once unfolded, it transforms into a comfortable space with a bed, table, and organized storage for all your camping essentials. The clever design includes built-in compartments for cooking gear, food, and other supplies, making it perfect for quick getaways or long road trips. Its lightweight build ensures easy handling, while the durable materials guarantee long-lasting performance in all weather conditions. Whether you're camping by a lake in the woods or on a mountain road, the GoLo Go Camp gives you freedom and comfort wherever you go. It's ideal for solo travelers, couples, or anyone who loves spontaneous outdoor adventures without the hassle of setting up a traditional tent. Compact, convenient, and ready for any journey, the GoLo Go Camp redefines portable camping comfort for modern explorers who value mobility and simplicity. The GoSun Camp 365 is a modern, solar-powered camping trailer that makes outdoor adventures easier, smarter, and more comfortable. It's lightweight and folds down for easy towing, but when opened, it quickly transforms into a roomy, weatherproof cabin in just a few minutes. Powered entirely by the sun, it comes with a built-in kitchen, efficient lighting, and options for a fridge and hot water, all without needing fuel or making noise. Designed for all seasons, it stays cool in summer and warm in winter, so you can camp anywhere, anytime. The Camp 365 has enough space for a small family, with comfortable sleeping areas, smart storage, and great protection from the weather. Its aerodynamic shape helps save energy while driving, and you can tow it with almost any car. Inside, it feels like a cozy mini home, blending technology with sustainability. Whether you're camping in the mountains, near a lake, or deep in the woods, the GoSun Camp 365 gives you the freedom to explore off-grid while staying comfortable and eco-friendly. It's the perfect travel companion for anyone who loves adventure and cares about the planet. Haven Safari. The Haven Safari is a unique hammock-style tent that combines the comfort of a proper bed with the adventure of camping. Unlike regular hammocks that curve you into a banana shape, the Haven Safari uses a flat sleeping platform and a mattress pad, giving you a cozy, bed-like experience even while suspended between trees. It can also be set up on the ground, making it versatile for different camping situations. Measuring around 203 centimeters long and 76 centimeters wide, the Haven Safari comfortably fits one person and can support up to 159 kilograms, 350 pounds. It's made from durable 300D polyester canvas with a waterproof rating of 4,000 millimeters and comes with a rainfly, bug netting, and a mattress pad for added comfort. Its sturdy construction ensures a safe and stable sleeping platform, whether you hang it or use it on the ground. The tent is heavier than typical ultralight hammocks due to its mattress and reinforced materials, making it ideal for car camping or base camps rather than long hikes. Setup is straightforward, and once it's up, it provides a comfortable, elevated sleeping area that keeps you off cold or uneven terrain. For campers and outdoor creators, the Haven Safari is visually striking, practical, and comfortable. It's perfect for filming unique setups, testing comfort, or showing your audience a modern, elevated way to enjoy the outdoors. HDP50 Compact. The HDP50 Compact is a smart and powerful self-defense tool made to keep you safe and confident wherever you go. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive power using CO2 cartridges, making it one of the best non-lethal defense options available. Built with strong, durable materials, it's lightweight, easy to carry, and quick to handle in any situation. The ergonomic grip fits perfectly in your hand, ensuring steady aim and control, while the simple loading system lets you reload in seconds when needed. It can fire rubber, pepper, or paintballs, giving you different options for defense or training. The HDP50 Compact also includes a safety switch and a tactical rail, so you can attach accessories like flashlights or laser sights for extra precision. Whether you're at home, outdoors, or on duty, this compact defense pistol offers protection, reliability, and peace of mind. With its combination of speed, power, and easy handling, the HDP50 Compact proves that real strength can come in a small package, ready whenever you are. The Heimplanet Cave XL is a spacious and innovative tent designed to make camping comfortable, easy, and fun. Perfect for families, groups, or long outdoor trips, this tent gives you plenty of room while keeping you safe and protected from the elements. Its inflatable frame replaces traditional tent poles, so setting it up is quick and simple. You can have it ready in just a few minutes without any hassle. Made from strong, weather-resistant materials, the Cave XL shields you from rain, wind, and sun, keeping you dry and cozy no matter the conditions. Inside, it offers smart organization with multiple rooms, plenty of storage space, and great ventilation, so everyone can enjoy a comfortable stay. Despite its large size, it's surprisingly easy to transport and carry, making it perfect for camping, festivals, or remote adventures. The unique design combines durability, convenience, and style, giving you a reliable home away from home. Hiker Power Backpack Power Station. The Hiker Power is a portable power station built into a backpack, perfect for outdoor adventures, camping, or filming on the go. It comes with a powerful 600 watt-hour battery and can deliver up to 1,000 watts of power, so you can charge cameras, drones, laptops, or even small appliances while staying off the grid. This makes it ideal for content creators, campers, and travelers who need reliable electricity wherever they go. What makes it stand out is its all-in-one design. The Ignik FireCan Portable Fire Pit. The Ignik FireCan Portable Fire Pit is a smart and compact way to enjoy a real fire anywhere you go, whether you're camping, tailgating, or relaxing on the beach. Shaped like an ammo can, this rugged fire pit runs on propane, giving you real flames without smoke, sparks, or messy wood. It produces up to 38,000 BTU of heat, perfect for keeping you warm on chilly nights or adding cozy vibes to your outdoor setup. The fire can is built from durable steel and features mesh sides that let you see the flickering flames while spreading warmth all around. Its fold-out legs make setup quick and easy, and the quick-release hose connects to any standard propane tank in seconds. It's clean, safe, and perfect for places where traditional wood fires aren't allowed. Weighing around 11 pounds, it's easy to carry in your car or camper, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. You can even add an optional grill top for simple cooking. The Ignik Fire Can is a modern twist on the classic campfire, compact, stylish, and eco-friendly. It's a must-have gadget for outdoor lovers who want real firepower without the hassle of wood or smoke. Jetboil Genesis. The Jetboil Genesis is a complete camping kitchen system designed to make outdoor cooking fast, easy, and enjoyable. It features a dual burner stove, each delivering around 10,000 BTUs of heat, so you can boil water or cook meals quickly, boiling a liter of water in just over 3 minutes. This makes it perfect for group camping trips or base camps where you want hot meals without the wait. The system comes with a large 5-liter flux pot and a 10-inch nonstick fry pan, giving you everything needed to cook breakfast, lunch, or dinner while camping. It uses standard propane cylinders, which are widely available and easy to replace, making it convenient for long trips. Despite its cooking power, the Jetboil Genesis folds up neatly for transport, so it fits easily in your camping gear. This setup is ideal for car camping or base camps rather than backpacking due to its larger size, but the trade-off is its high cooking capacity and dual burner versatility. You can cook 2 dishes at once or heat water and cook food simultaneously, saving time and effort. For outdoor enthusiasts and content creators, the Jetboil Genesis is visually impressive and practical. It's perfect for showing on your channel how campers can enjoy fast, efficient meals in the wild, turning any campsite into a functional, well-equipped kitchen with minimal hassle. The Hammock Outpost is a smart and practical camping shelter designed to make your outdoor adventures easier, safer, and more comfortable. Perfect for backpackers, campers, and anyone who loves spending time in nature, it provides a weather-resistant space to relax, sleep, or store your gear. Its lightweight and durable design makes it easy to carry on any trip, and the quick setup system lets you have the shelter ready in just minutes without any hassle. Built to withstand wind, rain, and sun, the outpost keeps you protected in all kinds of weather. Inside, it offers plenty of space for sleeping and organizing your belongings, while mesh panels allow fresh air to flow through and keep insects out. Despite its roomy interior, it packs down compactly, making it simple to transport and store. Whether you're hiking remote trails, camping at a festival, or enjoying a weekend getaway in the wilderness, the Hammock Outpost is a reliable, lightweight, and easy-to-use shelter. Carbo Grill X1. The Carbo Grill X1 is the perfect portable grill for anyone who loves outdoor cooking made easy and fun. Designed with smart heating technology, it gives you delicious, evenly cooked food every time, whether you're grilling juicy steaks, crispy veggies, or smoky burgers. Its lightweight, compact body makes it super convenient to carry for camping trips, picnics, or backyard parties. Made from strong stainless steel, it's built to last and handle any adventure. The Carbo Grill X1 heats up fast and spreads heat evenly, so you can cook more in less time without burning your food. It also comes with a precise temperature control system, letting you adjust the heat exactly the way you want. Cleaning is quick and simple, and its low smoke design means you can even use it on a balcony or in small outdoor spaces. With its stylish look and powerful performance, this grill brings the joy of outdoor cooking to a whole new level. King Camp sleeping bags are designed to make your outdoor adventures warm, comfortable, and hassle-free. Perfect for campers, hikers, and nature lovers, they provide excellent insulation to keep you cozy even on chilly nights. Made from high-quality materials, these sleeping bags are soft inside for comfort and durable outside to protect against wind, moisture, and rough use. Lightweight and compact, they fit easily into your backpack or camping gear, making them ideal for hiking, backpacking, or car camping. Many models come with handy features like adjustable hoods, full-length zippers for easy entry, and ventilation options to keep you comfortable in different weather conditions. King Camp sleeping bags are built to last, ensuring you have a reliable and cozy place to sleep no matter where your adventures take you. Whether you're camping in the mountains, at a festival, or enjoying a weekend outdoors with family and friends, these sleeping bags make resting easy and enjoyable. The Claris CL2 is a powerful and compact flashlight built to keep you safe and prepared in any situation. Whether you're hiking, camping, working outdoors, or facing an unexpected blackout, this flashlight provides bright, reliable light whenever you need it. Its advanced LED technology delivers a strong, focused beam that lights up dark areas clearly, while using energy efficiently to give you long hours of dependable illumination. Made from durable, lightweight materials, the CL2 can handle drops, rough use, and harsh weather, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or daily carry. The ergonomic design feels comfortable in your hand, and the simple controls let you switch between different brightness levels and modes, including strobe and SOS signals for emergencies. Despite its compact size, it's ready to handle tough situations and fits easily in a pocket, backpack, or glove compartment. The Claris CL2 combines power, portability, and reliability.